Oh, hello there. Thank you for coming to our open house.
Hey guys, Carmine Grippo, student body president, senior at Xavier. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody who gave a look at one of the open houses. Thank you.
I'm Kyle Cusick. I'm a junior. Thanks for giving Xavier a look.
I'm freshman Maxwell Gonzalez, and I'd like to thank you for coming and giving Xavier a look.
Isaac's a senior at Xavier High School. I just want to thank all the families for coming and visiting our school, giving us a good look.
Hey guys, it's Grant Barber, senior at Xavier. Thanks for coming out for the open house and giving Xavier a nice look.
Hi, my name's Hyun Lee. I'm a junior at Xavier High School. Thank you for coming to one of our open houses.
Hi everyone, it's Dave Eustace, the headmaster here at Xavier. Thanks so much for coming and visiting Xavier. We hope you had a wonderful time.
We're Dan Lyons.
And I'm freshman Rob Mullins.
We want to thank you for dropping by at Xavier and giving us a look.
Thanks for giving us a chance.